Since 1998, Know-How Group has been driving ecological progress in mining, building green mines, and leading the way to a sustainable future. Know-How Group provides a full range of mining services, including new energy equipment, mining investment, equipment maintenance, and engineering solutions, creating a complete mining ecosystem. As the core subsidiary of Know-How Group, Know-How Technology has led the industry since 2015, specializing in new energy equipment and energy supply for mines. We are committed to eco-friendly mining technology for a low-carbon future. During this period, our group has obtained 4 invention patents and 21 utility model patents. Our products are highly customizable and backed by comprehensive support. Designed for tough conditions, they maximize energy efficiency. Our R&D team deeply understands and minimizes environmental impact. Innovation drives us. We continuously develop technologies to reduce emissions, improve efficiency, and deliver value. Know-How Technology is leading the green revolution in mining. Know-How Group and Know-How Technology are dedicated to green, efficient, and sustainable mining solutions. Together, let us build a sustainable future for mining.